Look at that, he's only got one ramp now. Ooh, fancy. It's actually incredibly unstable. Look at that, we got a tree down there. So I could reconnect it to the exhaust I made a couple months ago with the Honda muffler, or I could use that thing that I bought for the truck. A lot of rust there, isn't there? I'm thinking some kind of like side pipe that comes out here might look neat. I also don't care. It's kind of like a $500 truck, but why not? Why not have fun with it, you know? Got that thing too. I don't know why. I do have some pipes laying around that might have exhaust hangers on them. I do need to find them first, which is going to be a pain in the butt, but they're here somewhere. The first thing that needs to be welded though is the back of that, because that has some holes in it now that I got to fill. Realistically, I should have done that when it was off the truck, but I'm incredibly lazy, so no. It's funny how this is like the cheapest Harbor Freight welder, but considered against Temu products, it's actually kind of great. It's an awful welder, that's what I'm trying to get at here. Okay, that is done now. I also went and welded up a few leaks in that thing, but we're gonna cut it off right there, and then we're gonna remove the rest of the exhaust on this. It's also like 1,000,000 degrees outside, so friendly reminder, drink water. Okay, so we kind of just have it loosely sitting in here. I'm gonna throw those V-bands on it from yesterday, if I can find where I put them. Ugh, gross. I mean, for what it's worth, there is a flex pipe on there now, so hopefully that helps indicate the issue of everything falling off at once. All right, the V-band didn't fit, so we tacked it in place. I like that, that's good. Everything top side is kind of back in place. This needs to be remounted. But if we come under here, you can see we now have a flex pipe. So we're gonna come, let me zoom out for a moment. From here, we're gonna come around here and out here. Which should be pretty easy because we're, you know, gonna be shooting straight out the bottom. So we'll get 45 there and a 45 going the other way. Kind of just straight out this way. And then I have to make some sort of exhaust hangers, but we're getting there. A little late in the day, but that's fine. I also, of course, have to tack this in, and I'm not looking forward to it. Or wait, no, it is tacked in. I have to weld it completely, and it's bad. It's very bad. I mean, you watch me throw those V-bands in the engine bay. It's not like they miraculously disappeared. They're still here. They're just inside the truck again because I don't have the room to put the V-bands in there, which really sucks. I could grind this housing off the turbo, but I'm at this point already, and the turbo's on here. Point is, it's too late, so it's getting welded back on. Repercussions of my actions will come back to haunt me. Perched up here like a goblin, they call me the gargoyle. Also, while we're in here, we finally have a filter on this vent for the wastegate. I don't know what this guy does. He has something with the brakes. We'll put him back eventually. I'm gonna grind that down there too. That's ugly. Blech, gross. Bottom's not welded on, but you can see how it sounds anyway. Just gonna give her a little. Gross. All that smoke is what we call probably not good for you. You know, I do have an intercooler here. I could make my day go 30% longer by trying to put that in too. Nah. I mean, if it's billowing that much smoke, then the intercooler is far from the first thing it needs to done right now. Tube on. Not gonna sound indifferent, but see if I care. I'll zoom out for you. That's the wrong pedal. What the heck was that? See, the reason I actually left that unwelded for that is, as you can see, we're getting oil dumping out from somewhere. If I have to assume it's from anywhere, it's going to be this turbo because it ran fine before this was installed. And it's probably not a head gasket, so it's not like a insane amount of oil. It is going to become a problem, probably. Be even more of a problem if I could actually check the oil level of this thing, but I can't, so I don't care. I'm just gonna weld that up and act like it's not burning oil, because what do you mean it burns oil? No, never. Couldn't possibly do that. Car from the 90s, General Motors? Pfft, no. It's not like the undercarriage of this front area isn't also completely covered in oil. Like, I don't care. It leaks, it burns, and it keeps running. The level has not gone down, as far as I know, because I can't check the level. So it's fine. I don't care. This came out of a mail truck. It's like $500 for a brand new full engine with the harness. Honestly, that is mostly finished. Just have to get the rest of the side pipe on, but I also have to make the side pipe, so as far as I'm concerned, the sun's going down. We're good for today. I don't want to touch this anymore. I'm dirty. There's a nice bonus though. Everything else can be done in here, and I don't need to have the ramps out anymore. So basically, I don't have to be out in 98-degree weather trying to weld, which is real nice. That thing's a box. This is a dent puller, and it's broken. It's a Unispotter. If you work in auto body, you know what it is. You've seen one plenty of times. I'm gonna try and fix it. Don't know if I'll put that on the channel or not, but I will use it eventually. Kind of just like everything else that's in this box. Eventually it'll get used. Stop asking me. See you next time. Have a good one.
Lunchtime, elite.